What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. Finally, as y'all can tell in the title and the thumbnail of this video, I finally found a grill for my OBS. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all would know that I've been looking for this grill probably for the past couple weeks now, and I finally been able to find one at a junkyard. Found the last one, matter of fact, because this truck was sitting in the cut. And when I show y'all this grill, y'all gonna be like, man, this grill is in great condition. So in this video right here, I will be sanding down, priming, and I will be putting a custom emblem on this grill, which is called the Mexican Chevy emblem. So if you want to look for this emblem, go on eBay and y'all be able to find this. Y'all can only probably get it out of Houston, Texas. That's where mine's coming from. Y'all see it later on in this video. But let me go ahead and turn this camera around so I can show y'all what type of condition this grill is in. It amazed me. Look at this grill, y'all. This grill is in excellent condition. Of course, we got a little small scrapes, but I'm about to sand that whole grill down, so we ain't worrying about that. It's just real dirty, because the truck that has been on was sitting. But it's no cracks, no nothing in it. This right here gonna come out real good when I wash it. And we get rid of this GMC. We gonna put a nice little Chevy logo on there. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up once. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Pick y'all back up once I start the sanding down process. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and use some glass cleaner that I got over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down because it is real dirty. I think I got some water and some soap in that jug over here. I think I got some soap and water in that jug over there, so this one is. Alright, so I done sanded it down. Look pretty good, got that clear coat off of it. Now it's time to go ahead and prime it. But I'm gonna go ahead and tape up the little areas around the chrome part so I won't get nothing on the chrome part. She looked good to me, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. She looked real good. She came out great. The only thing that I gotta wait on now is just one more thing to come in the mail, the emblem. And once the emblem come in, then I'll go ahead and slap it on the truck. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, and I'll probably put the camera back up Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. All right, YouTube, it's been a couple days since I shot that last clip. Today is Sunday. The grill won't be up and done and finished until Monday. The grill is actually painted. I'm just waiting for the emblem, and the post office got the emblem. It was supposed to be here from Wednesday to Saturday. Saturday's supposed to be the last day, and it arrived down here Saturday, but it arrived at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. It was supposed to be out for delivery on Saturday, and the post office kept playing with it because it was in North Carolina in 2 different spots. They moved it from one spot to another spot and then back to one spot. It's just a lot. It's like ever since I moved down here, the post office ain't been hitting no nut when it comes out to getting packages. So usually I go through UPS or FedEx. But the video probably ain't gonna be out until Monday, Tuesday. So probably Tuesday. So what I'm gonna do now in this clip is I'm gonna go ahead and take this grill off And I'm gonna just put this grill to the side because I'm not gonna be driving the truck this week neither. Because usually I drive it to work every now and then, but I'm not. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, we'll go ahead and take care of that real quick. So that way when tomorrow gets here, when I get off from work, I can just come straight in here, put the new emblem on the grill, and you know what I'm saying, put the grill back on, you feel me? But YouTube, y'all ain't get a chance to see my door panels. And these are the door panels. Y'all remember the door panels when I first got them? These are the door panels now, you feel me? I wrapped this right here. It's a clip missing right there, but it's cool. I wrapped these right here. I actually painted the whole door except for the carpet, because in this part right here, I'm gonna take this part off and try to get this wood piece off so I can go ahead and paint this black, just like I did over here. Over there, the whole door is completely done and finished except for the little plastic trim to go around there. But y'all tell me how it look. I feel like it looked good, y'all. But let me go ahead and get this grill off. All right, got the grill off now, and I like to keep both of the side markers where I got them at now, so I'm gonna just put them both over there on each side that I took them off at. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at this bumper, because this bumper is up a little bit and pushed in on this side, and it's got a little gap over here, which I kind of figured what's going on, because when I got this truck, this fender was different color, so obviously it had to bend in some type of little fender bender, and they switched this fender out. So I'm gonna take a look at that real quick off camera, and I'm gonna pick y'all back up on the next day whenever I get the emblem, so I can go ahead and take the emblem and the side markers off of that grill and put a new emblem on there and put these side markers on that grill right there, and then slap everything back on. Yes, sir. Package just dropped in the mail. Y'all already know what this is. Finally, 2 days later. All right, so I had to go to Lowe's. I went to the parts store. They didn't have what I was looking for. So I went to Lowe's and I grabbed these hex style screws with no head on them. And got some washers, and then I got some nuts for the screws. And basically what I did was I used some scissors, and I went and made the hole bigger on each one of those little poles right there. Made the hole a little bigger like that, and then I took some grip pliers and I just turned the screws in there to create the so these are the lock nuts that I use. Go ahead and show y'all. Oh, that's how it look now. I might have to trim and cut these a little bit. I don't know yet. Hopefully I don't, but if so, then I'll just go ahead and cut them. But these are the washers right here that I use, and I'll show y'all the bag at the end of the video what all you need, just in case if your grill don't come with the screws like mine. So now the only thing I gotta do is put them on and we be good to go. Say what up to YouTube, Tyson. Hey, what up, man? Y'all ready for this? That's the finished product. I gotta change this, the side markers because that one broke. But I gotta change all these side markers out, but this is the final product. It looks like a totally different truck. Boy, I love this thing, boy. This thing coming along pretty good. Anyway, about to go ahead and head out. Tired. Wife looking for me to come in. But y'all drop it down in the comment section. Okay. Y'all drop it down in the comment section how it look, man. I think it look fire, man. I really do. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification button up, come rock the Style Gang. Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know how I get down. It's your boy Carolina Styles. I'm signing out. Peace.